Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, we're diving into the future of side hustles with AI. If you're ready to turn DeepSeek, your ultimate AI tool, into a money-making machine, stick around. I'm sharing the top 5 ways to earn cash online using DeepSeek. First up, AI content creation. DeepSeek's writing skills are next level. Use it to craft blog posts, social media captions, or even ebooks. How to start? Number 1, offer SEO optimized articles on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Number 2, use DeepSeek to brainstorm viral YouTube scripts. Number 3, sell pre written content packs on Etsy or Gumroad. Pro tip, charge $50 to $200 per article. Clients love fast, high quality work. Next, freelance AI consulting. Businesses are desperate for AI expertise. Your playbook: Number 1, market yourself as a DeepSeek specialist on LinkedIn. Number 2, offer to automate tasks like email marketing or data analysis. Number 3, charge hourly, $40 to $100, or package deals. Pro tip, create case studies, show how you saved a client 10 plus hours per week. Here's the game changer: build AI tools with DeepSeek API. You can create chatbots, resume scanners, or niche apps, no coding needed. Steps: Number 1, use no code platforms like Bubble or Zapier. Number 2, sell subscriptions on Products Hunt or indie developer forums. Number 3, example, a $20 month LinkedIn bio generator. Easy money. Knowledge is cash. Create courses teaching others to master DeepSeek. How? Number 1, record tutorials on automating tasks or boosting productivity. Number 2, sell on Udemy, Skillshare, or your own website. Number 3, promote snippets on TikTok. Go viral with AI hacks. Pro tip: bundle templates. Example, 100 DeepSeek prompts. For upsells, finally, affiliate marketing. If DeepSeek has a referral program, check their site. Promote it. Action plan: Number 1, make YouTube review or tutorials like 10 DeepSeek hacks. Number 2, add affiliate links to your blog or social bios. Number 3, earn commissions for every sign up. Pro tip: rank YouTube videos for keyword like best AI tools 2024-2025. Then there you have it. 5 legit ways to bankroll your hustle with DeepSeek. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my auto channel.